Village Kitchen channel. Today we'll make a salad. Onions with beans or beans with onions. For this you'll need about 3 or 4 large onions. About 10 mustard of an onion. Parsley and dill. You can start chopping the parsley. Dill, it doesn't matter. Or the onion first. Let's peel it. I'll peel the onion. And you need to cut it into circles. You can cut it in half rings, half moons. Okay, now I'll cut this into it. See, half rings like these, or even into 4. This, consiste right into 4. 1, and this one into 4. It'll be done quickly and easily. So variety is always a nice touch. Okay, let's throw it all in a bowl. Now we need to chop the parsley and dill here too. We also taste it. Sometimes a little is enough. Add more. Some people like it. You can wash the onion with cold water or boiling water to remove the bitterness if it's very bitter. We add this to our salad as well. And the last thing left is to the beans. As for beans, I'm talking about 2 or 3 spoons for a plate like this. We have some store-bought beans. You can also buy fresh ones at the market and cook them. You can say store-bought or white beans, or add some tomato. Okay, well, of course I should have salted the onion first. Forgot a little, I got carried away. The way you can add salt. Now we've salted the beans and see if there's not enough. Add more. Stir. Same with the greens. You can even add some green onions if you haven't. Now there's just a drop black or red pepper left. I prefer black pepper for some reason. We also check the salt at the end if there's not. Add more. And there's some sunflower oil left. Sunflower oil. I think 1 spoon is enough for our salad. We'll see. Maybe 2 are needed. That's it. Salad bowl is ready. So in just 2 to 3 minutes, you can have a delicious, nutritious salad. It's a small portion, of course, but you can make a larger portion or several different salads. That's the whole salad. Enjoy. Until next time.